And we've got some breaking news that's coming in right now in connection to Delhi CM Arvind Kejriwal, who has been produced in the Delhi court. ED has now sought a further 7-day custody of Arvind Kejriwal. Now, ED says that Kejriwal is deliberately not cooperating, and Kejriwal has also addressed the court. In fact, Kejriwal has asked the court as to the reasons why he has been arrested. He's also said that the case has been on for 2 years now and no allegations have been leveled against him. So clearly there are allegations and counter-allegations. The ED clearly making it clear that Arvind Kejriwal is not cooperating, whereas Arvind Kejriwal is questioning the legality of his arrest.
Given by the accused, who has turned approver against me, is being used by and misused by the enforcement directorate to arrest me. Arvind Kejriwal is also trying to keep those meetings which has happened inside the premises of the Sheesh Mahal, the Delhi Chief Minister's residence, where he's saying that meetings do happen, people do meet. Yeah.
Right, so that was Priyank getting us details of Arvind Kejriwal, who has been produced in Delhi court. This is a big day for the Delhi Chief Minister. It will now be, of course, decided whether he will continue in ED custody or he will be a free man. This is Arvind Kejriwal, of course, who is trying his best to get a relief. He said that his arrest is not legal, and he's also asking as to why he's been arrested while there are no direct allegations on him, and that the case has been on for 2 years now.
Family members were totally associated with the Bharatiya Janata Party, and he is saying that 5 mahine jail mein rukne ke baad unka statement badal gaya, which means that after staying in jail for more than 5 months, his statement changed, and then he was given clear advantage, and later on he took my name, which has led to my arrest. Kejriwal is also saying that ye statement sirf ek sitting chief minister ko arrest karne ke liye kafi hai? Is this statement enough to arrest a sitting chief minister of the state of a person whose conduct is still questionable? This is what Abhishek Manu Singh had also argued in the previous hearing, that the statement of an approver should be not taken on that much serious value, because that is the statement which could have been made under the pressure. Kejriwal also refers to the statement on the order of Justice Sanjeev Khanna. He's also talking about that the kickback were received. It's a matter of debate.
Right, a big update coming in from Delhi right now. Of course, Arvind Kejriwal making it clear that he's only been named in 4 statements, and that if this is enough to arrest a sitting chief minister,